Hi everybody, this is Frank Verney and welcome to another edition of Real Estate Help by Frank. Short sales, which are already on the rise this year, are expected to get an additional boost from a move by federal regulators who oversee Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The new program will finally streamline paperwork and enable banks and services to quickly and easily qualify eligible borrowers for a short sale. These guidelines will go into effect on November 1st, 2012. Now, there are some really good changes, so let's take a few minutes to go through them so you'll know what to expect and how they can benefit you. Number one, currently short sales that involve Fannie or Freddie can take several extra weeks to approve. They are finally, and I say finally, going to consolidate all the existing programs that they have into a single, uniform one that will have more clear and consistent guidelines, making it easier to process and execute the short sale. Number two, for those homeowners that are most in need and have missed several loan payments, have low credit scores, or have serious financial hardship, there will be a streamlined approach that will only require the homeowner to show either reduced or no documentation at all in order to get approved. Number three, for homeowners that are still current on their mortgages, lenders will finally have much more leeway to process the short sale when the homeowner is facing hardships such as death in the family, divorce, disability, employment transfer, or relocation that is more than 50 miles from their current home. Now, homeowners who have sufficient income or assets will still be approved, but they may be asked to contribute funds to cover part or all of the deficiency. Number four, strict timelines are finally being established. Banks will now be required to review and respond within 30 days of receipt of a short sale offer. They must provide weekly status updates to the borrower if the offer is still under review after 30 days, and they must make and communicate all final decisions within 60 days of receipt of the offer and the completed borrower's package. Number five, banks will now offer up to $6,000 to second lien holders to expedite the short sale. Currently, the second lien holders can and sometimes do derail or slow down the short sale process by trying to negotiate for higher amounts. Number six, the new program will provide banks and borrowers clarity on processing a short sale when a foreclosure sale is pending. It'll talk about when a borrower must submit their application and a sales offer to be considered for the sale, so that last-minute communications and negotiations are handled in a uniform and fair manner. Number seven, approved homeowners will now be eligible for a new mortgage backed by Fannie or Freddie, but they must wait at least 2 years after the short sale is completed. Number eight, military personnel who are being relocated will automatically be eligible for short sales, even if they're current on their existing mortgage, and they will be exempt from all deficiency judgments. Now, it has taken a long time for them to finally get it right, but it is great news because by improving the short sale eligibility, more families will be able to avoid foreclosure and reduce the negative impact that foreclosures have on our families and communities. Short sales also help stabilize home values and neighborhoods by keeping the homes occupied, which benefits the housing market and aids in our recovery. So if you or someone you know has had trouble with their mortgage and is struggling with a property and needs solutions, encourage them to contact qualified real estate professionals, attorneys, or accountants and get their questions answered. Experience really counts in this marketplace. Of course, feel free to contact me if you could use my help or have any additional questions. Now, if you found this useful and someone you know could use the information, please forward or share it with them. I'd also appreciate any comments below, and by all means, please subscribe on the right to receive further updates. We'll see you again soon. Thanks, and good luck.